Hello, in this video, I will show you how to add the wall-up wall system in your store. Click on the new product icon on the left-hand side to reveal the products menu. Click on the Wall System tab and select the wall-up system. There are two subcategories, body and accessories and complementary products. Click on the body to see all the elements of the wall-up system. Click on the profile to start drawing. As you see, the distances are shown from the side walls to the upright as you move it on the wall. Click to add the starting upright. There are 3 different standard widths available: 60 cm, 90 cm, and 120 cm. You may keep adding uprights at any of the available widths. The uprights drawn here are all at 90 cm width. Once all uprights are put, press Escape to exit the command. Once put, you may need to move all the uprights to adjust the distances on the sides. It will be easier to do so in the plan view. Click on the plan view. Click on one of the uprights to select all. Click on the move icon to move the uprights to centralize the unit. Once done, click on 3D. Press Ctrl and click on one of the uprights to select all and to activate the settings menu. You may change the material of the uprights from the available different finish alternatives. You may add separator panels. There are different alternatives available. Click on the desired panel, add it in between the uprights when the color of the item is green. Press Escape to exit command. Add drawer units from the Products menu. Simply click on the item to select and click on the unit to place the item. Press Escape to exit command. Once you click on the item, you may adjust any features from the settings menu. The width of the unit is automatically set according to the distance between the uprights. You may add base platforms. To do so, simply click on the item on the menu and click to place in location. Adjust the length and move it back to the right position. To add accessories, click on Accessories and Complementary Products tab. Go to the Frames and Accessories tab. Select a box shelf and insert to the unit. Press Escape to exit the command. Once the items are added, you may double-check the height of them. Simply click to select the item and control the height of the units on the settings menu. Remember, if you check the box on the static height, all items added will be inserted at the same height. To add shelves, click on the Shelves and Apparatus tab. You will see a selection of available shelves. Click on one and add as many as you wish at desired locations. Press Escape to exit the command. Click on the hanger and add where you desire. To add face-out bars, click on the bar on the menu. Place the cursor on the hangers you wish to add face-out bars. You may zoom in with the wheel for a closer view. When the item is pointed at the right position, the item color will be green, which means we can add the item at that point. Press Escape to exit command. You can add shoulder-out hangers as well. Simply choose the item on the menu and click to add. Once one added, select the item, activate the static height and add more at the same level. Add more items on the unit as you wish. You may also add visuals to the wall units. Simply click on the item and insert it where desired. Once added, press Escape to exit the command. Click to select the item and change its features. You may change the material as well as the actual visual to be displayed. You may choose to have aluminum frame around the visual. Using the settings, you may adjust how the visual chosen looks inside the frame. We have added a wall-up system wall unit in the store. You may create different wall units with different designs and looks. You can include all these different accessories as well. See you in the next tutorial video.